You searched how to buy shares of Bijou Brigitte modische Accessoires AG, a German fashion accessories retailer listed on Xetra under the ticker Bij.de. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search and type the ticker Bij.de to find the listing. Select the result that corresponds to Bijou Brigitte modische Accessoires AG to open the asset page. On the stock page, check the company overview, recent price chart, and key details to confirm it is the correct listing. Make sure the exchange is Xetra and the ticker shows Bij.de. To place an order, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review order settings and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or executed at the next session. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once executed. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform.